Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use this Capcut application Windows version offline mode. So if you regularly use this Capcut and you don't have internet connection, you can do it. You can use this application by click on File Explorer and then click in a Drive C and try to search users, this one, and click on your users data here. So this one, app data. If you cannot see this folder, you can tap view and click show and click hidden items. By default, this app data will be hide by Windows. So you can click on app data, click locals folder, try to search CapCut folder. In this CapCut folder, you can click on user data. This is all user data like configuration and effect. You can control A, right click, show more options, and add to archive. So you can add this, you can make archive this user data and copy this a archive into another folder and try to use CapCut. Try to open this CapCut, and if this doesn't work, you can copy again user data into you can extract this user data into your CapCut a folder before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.